Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. I wish to congratulate each of you first for having secured your university place and second for having good sense to choose to study in the Department of Science. This department puts the student at the center of everything it does. Your experience here at studies and your success is important to each and every member of the staff who works here. Your arrival at this department marks a new chapter in the story of your life. But this chapter is a bit different that will be written by you with your experience and knowledge. Therefore, your guidance, we senior made an effort through this online video orientation and will look forward at your positive response.
Hi, greetings, my fellow juniors. I, Priyanshul Mansuria, a bibliophile, science enthusiast, welcome you all. First of all, physics is either trivial or impossible. It is impossible until you understand it and then it becomes trivial. Our college believes in comprehensive approach to knowledge. It's physics that attracts me and it's knowledge that helps me to materialize my long-term goals. There are many scientists that contribute to physics like Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Stephen Hawking and Sir Isaac Newton.
Warm greetings to all my juniors. I am Shivansh Tiwari. Welcome you all to the campus of BSS College. I am an active member of Science Club and a sportsman. I feel privileged to tell you that BSS provides an option to explore all branches of science and one of them is chemistry. BSS has highly qualified teaching staff and a well-organized chemistry lab with lots of experimental setups. Cultural events organized by different clubs every weekend. Doing BSc in chemistry, that too from BSS College, gives me an edge to conquer this competitive.
The essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. I, Tanushree Sharma, would like to extend a very warm welcome to all my fellow juniors. As a mathophile, mathematics is an art, a visual art, a subject which can literally be wildly creative. Just practice it and you will be the master of it. As said, numbers rule the universe. I believe our teachers has an extremely appreciable knowledge of mathematics and by being a member of Science Club, we have conducted so many activities and even succeeded in them. So without the support of our teachers, it wouldn't even be possible.
I, Anmol Gupta, will give insights onto the statistics. Facts are stuck on things, but statistics is pliable. Here in BSS, I get to know that there is a discipline called statistics, plethora of data. In my experience, this discipline is mind-blowing but still underrated. I learned how to play with data, how to collect, organize, analyze and interpret through it. After becoming the student of this discipline, I gained logical knowledge of the things.
तू ज़मीन पर अपनी कला का हाथ पकड़कर चलता चल, वह आसमान पर तेरी ऊंचाइयों की उड़ान लिख देगी. I, Kavyansh Karanjan, gives a warm welcome to all my juniors. BSSS Rhythm is a place where talents and skills are polished. Usually people have a stage fear and we help them to overcome it. We create a perfect balance between studies and extra curriculum. In the past 1 year, I have learned a lot from this place and still learning. The faculties are very intellectual and supportive towards each and every one of us. Rhythm will not only help you in improving your communication skills, but it will also boost your confidence. पहले जैसे मौसम भी आते नहीं है, बारिशों में पहले जैसी बात नहीं है. पहले जैसे मौसम भी आते नहीं है, बारिशों में पहले जैसी बात नहीं है.
English is a language that will instill you confidence. For that, we have particularly English Lab. English Lab as in a whole structural room which will provide you confidence, vocabulary and a proper temperament to communicate with people and to get succeed in life. Here in BSSS, that's the first time I am hosting as a science host in a science exhibition, and that too I have learned from English Lab. And here we have a complex which is best in the sports, and as well as we have a drill square as in a Shauripath, which is particularly for NCC cadets. No other student is allowed there. Now, although we lost in Dangal, but we participated with our full enthusiasm so that we can achieve something.
हमारे महाविद्यालय में राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना भी है। आइए जानते हैं उसके बारे में। राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना NSS भारत सरकार के युवा मामले एवं खेल मंत्रालय द्वारा संचालित एक केंद्रीय योजना है, जिसका उद्देश्य सभी युवा छात्रों को सामुदायिक सेवा गतिविधि एवं कार्यक्रमों में भाग लेने के लिए अवसर प्रदान करना है, चाहे वह 12th बोर्ड स्तर का छात्र हो, तकनीकी संस्था, ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट या विश्वविद्यालय का छात्र हो। राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना का एकमात्र उद्देश्य युवा छात्रों को सामुदायिक सेवा का अनुभव प्रदान करना है। मुझे NSS से जो अनुभव प्राप्त हुआ है वो मेरे जीवन में बड़ा ही लाभदायक सिद्ध होगा।
The only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library. Hi guys, I am Nitya Srivastav and I'll give you a gist on our library and SWAYAM NPTEL courses. Our library is equipped with various books apart from the main streamlined subjects offered by the college. And on the other hand, students can also access e-resources from NPTEL and SWAYAM courses. So when in doubt, go to the library. And when it comes to sharing my own experience, I literally have a great, splendid time by being a member of Science Club, where we have conducted various activities and had also won it too.
सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलना भी जरूरी है मंजिल को पाने के लिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम गौरव जैन है और मैं आप सभी को BSS का एक प्यारा सा हिस्सा बनने के लिए अभिवादन करता हूँ। मैं आप सभी को हिंदी जैसी भावपूर्ण और लोकप्रिय भाषा के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगा। हमारे कॉलेज में हिंदी को एक अलग ही ओहदा प्राप्त है। यहाँ आत्मनिर्भर होने के साथ साथ हमारी कलाओं को भी पहचाना जाता है। हिंदी सिर्फ एक भाषा नहीं है, ये दिलों को दिलों से जोड़ने का जरिया है। आखिर में यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मंजिल तो मिल ही जाएगी, भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं।
Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. My heartily greetings to all of you. I am Shambhavi Mishra and I will tell you about Devaharam and Knowledge on Wheels. Devaharam is an initiative by our college, which is a social service program for needy ones, and has also initiated Knowledge on Wheels. It's to spread knowledge as much as possible, because the more we have knowledge, the more
Hello there, welcome to the new era of 2020. I am your senior and most probably your friend Abhay Pandey, NCC rank holder. As we all are locked up at our places due to lockdown, but still we are able to provide you this orientation through a video, which is only possible because we are leading through digitalization towards a better world. That too possible because our college provides so many opportunities in digital field, which is also known as computer science. I have learned so many programming, coding, and every aspect of digitalization which is used in our basic life, like online payment methods, food delivery, or attending our online classes. Our college provides so many opportunities in campus selection process in leading IT and software companies. Therefore, I love to welcome you all in this learning process together. Thank you.